Hey, this is Dr. Chris Nelson here, and I am going to answer 4 questions from the California Dental Association for you and for our fellow dentists. So let's take a look. The California Dental Association put out a call to action and said, hey, let's have some dentists answer questions. So I thought it would be good to just answer them for you all. And let's get right into it. So, question number 1: what is one quality organized dentistry leaders should possess? So, I think one quality that the organized dentistry leaders should possess is the ability to take notes and the ability to be there. You'd be surprised at how little effort it takes to be in the room where decisions are being made. And a lot of it is being there and being present and taking notes and paying attention to what's happened in the past and representing your local area on the larger scale. So that's question number 1. Question number 2: what is a pro tip for leading on the local level? For leading on the local level, my pro tip is saying yes. Look, it's never the right time to be the leader. We're all super busy. Some of us have families, a lot of us have jobs, we all work, and other things. I coach hockey for my kids, I do other things, right? It's never the right time to say yes, but when you do say yes, you will find a massive opportunity to help. And there will always be a challenge that needs a leader to rise to the moment and help represent the community and the other dentists that are helping our patients be healthier and get the care that they need. So my number 1 tip is to say yes, and also to say yes even if it feels like it's not the right time. Question number 3 from the California Dental Association is, what are some of your favorite books or podcasts on leadership? Well, that is an easy answer, and it's actually an old CD of Pride on Leadership. And I like this so much, I have 3 copies. Okay, CDs, what is a CD? Well, it's a very old form of audio recording, but this is from 2005, so it's not new, but the knowledge in it is fantastic. And I have actually ripped these CDs into my music collection, my Apple Music collection, and I actually get to hear segments of this collection in my music. So I'll be listening to a song, and then I'll get to hear 5 minutes of Dr. Pride talk about leadership. And there are so many great podcasts out there and so many great books, but this particular collection literally hits on everything. And there are just so many times where I've thought of a scenario and I'm like, Dr. Pride, he's got the answer. He passed away a number of years ago, and he was, I think, one of the founders or the founder of the Pride Institute, which was, I think, foundational for a lot of the current leaders and people who do consulting in other capacities now. A lot of them got their foundations from him, if I'm not mistaken. And I learned that particular tip from my dad. So anyways, Pride Institute, Pride on Leadership by Dr. James Pride. If you can get this, get this. Okay. The last question is, what should new students or new graduates need to know about dentistry or organized dentistry? My tip on being involved is that you should not look at being involved as transactional, okay? So a lot of people, the cost of membership or volunteering, if you're looking at it like, I'm going to put in 20% and I'm going to get 20% back, you kind of already made a failure there. You should be looking at this as an opportunity to learn and to grow and also to share. And you shouldn't be looking at it in the short term as an ROI decision. Because you know what? Like, let's be real about it. If you're involved, you're taking time away from your job, which makes money, and giving that time to organized dentistry. And yeah, there's an ROI. There's an opportunity cost for not participating. But I guarantee you, and I have felt this myself, and I've experienced it, and I've seen other people who have given it a try. I guarantee you that you will actually end up getting more in return. It's just not immediate transactional return. So you need to look at it big picture and understand that your voice can make a huge impact in the direction of dentistry. And you know what? Everyone has an opinion, but the people that are allowed to complain or celebrate the most are the people involved in making the decisions and the people that volunteer. So if you want to participate and you want to have an opinion and you want to complain or celebrate what's going on, get involved so that you are in the room helping make the decisions. Okay? So there you go. I'm Dr. Chris Nelson from Redding, California, a longtime member of the California Dental Association, the American Dental Association, and other organizations as well. And I'm happy to answer the 4 questions posed by the California Dental Association, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.